Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned beef stew taste better. First, elevate the base flavor by adding fresh vegetables like diced carrots, celery, and potatoes. These not only add nutrients, but also improve texture. Next, introduce aromatic herbs such as a bay leaf or a sprig of fresh thyme. Finally, a small splash of red wine or extra beef broth can significantly deepen the stew's overall richness and complexity. Next, let's master seasoning. A pinch of smoked paprika or a dash of Worcestershire sauce can introduce a wonderful umami depth. Don't forget freshly ground black pepper and a touch of garlic powder to elevate the overall taste profile. For a richer color and more concentrated flavor, stir in a small amount of tomato paste. These simple additions make a big difference in transforming your stew. To improve the stew's texture and richness, consider a few simple steps. For a thicker, more satisfying consistency, whisk together a cornstarch slurry and stir it into the simmering stew. For an extra layer of richness, a pat of butter or a spoonful of heavy cream can be stirred in just before serving. You can also brown some extra beef chunks separately and add them for a heartier bite. Finally, for the perfect finish, garnish your enhanced beef stew with fresh parsley or chives just before serving. This adds a bright, fresh note and a pop of color. Serve it alongside some crusty bread for dipping or a comforting side of mashed potatoes to make it a complete and satisfying meal. And hey, if you love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite for an amazing reading experience. You can find a link to that and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.